Hello everybody, today I will be making a holder for these blue crates, but before we get started, the doctor said he'll only cure my autism if you press the like button. So please press the like button so he can cure my autism. The first step of woodworking is cutting the wood, but I already did that when I was talking about autism. And now I'm cutting some dados for the shelves for the boxes to sit on. So I'm making this bit of furniture from some shitty construction plywood scraps. So I need to join two pieces of the plywood together, and I'm gonna do that with some dowels. If I would have used fancy material for this, it would have cost like $60 and that's just way too much money. So now I'm sanding the inside because it would have been a lot harder to sand it when it's all assembled. So this is how the dowel's gonna fit together. And this side is really crappy, but it's gonna be against the wall, so it don't really matter. So now I'm routing the groove in the back of the cabinet for the MDF backing. Okay, now I'm chiseling off some extra material and fitting the decorative corner piece. And now I'm cutting off the corners for miter joints. No, it's quick, easy, and it kinda fits the theme with the whole shitty material. You know, it's for myself, it's nothing fancy. And this is how it looks finished. Now gotta put some finish on it, but the crates fit nicely. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please cure my autism. See you later, alligator. Bye bye, butterfly.